Hey y'all, today we're in Dawsonville, Georgia at Amicalola Falls State Park, home of the highest waterfall in Georgia. This beautiful park is 829 acres and there's a lot to do here. They have hiking trails, they have rock climbing, there's a zip line here, they have a beautiful lodge, and then they also have cabins and a campground that you can stay at. $5 for vehicles, $30 for vans, and $70 for buses.
Here you go, sweetie.
Think we can reach it?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
we can.
Thank you.
You have a blessed day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Now, before we get into exploring the park, I wanted to make sure to add this in. All of this construction here is for a new visitor center they are building. So we went in with the expectation we would stop at their visitor center and pick up a park map so that we would know where we were going. This is our first time here. Unfortunately, it's closed. So they do have some trailers a little further down that we're going to go to. And there's a sign on one of them that says Visitor Center. I walked all around it. The doors were locked. I couldn't find anyone. And so we didn't have a map. Cell service here was a little spotty, so I kind of had a hard time downloading it. So if you're coming anytime soon, I just suggest that you go online to their website and download the map before you get here. But nonetheless, we are going to explore. Okay, we've downloaded our map now, and the first thing we want to do is go see this beautiful waterfall. There are two options for parking lots to go in. One takes you toward the bottom of the falls, and one takes you to the top. We're going to start here at the bottom. West Ridge Trail to Waterfall. Oh, man, okay. Just jumped up on that. The trail to the fall is beautiful, and the trail itself is made from recycled tires, so it's really easy to walk on, although it was a little too soft in some places. But we thought it was really cool that they used recycled materials to make this trail. Remember I told y'all there's an upper parking lot and a lower parking lot. These stairs here lead to the upper parking lot, so if you wanted to, you can park up there and walk these 425 steps down here to the falls and then back up there. Oh my goodness. Wow. What? Fantastic. That's beautiful. Look at that. Now we're going to drive up to the top parking lot and check out the view from there.
Well, that didn't take long. Top of Falls Overlook.
Somebody lost a shoe.
Prettier down there.
Yeah.
Nice though, seeing all that. Taste of the circle that we didn't go do. Down there and see it.
You could cross right there like if I had my hiking boots on, but you get your feet wet doing that.
I can tell you right now, they're not jumping up that waterfall.
So Trout Homes, there's a thing right there, and they're supposed to be down there. Water's really clear. You don't see any.
Now let's go check out this beautiful lodge.
Appalachian Trail.
Wouldn't that be cool? On you. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Wow. In case you wondered how long the Appalachian Trail actually is, here's a map of it. Now we're going to drive around and see some of the cabins and drive through the campground.
Pretty state park.
Cottages and campgrounds.
State park.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
Well, y'all, that's going to do it for today's tour of Amicalola Falls State Park. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up. And more importantly, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel and follow along on all our adventures. Thanks for watching, y'all.